In the world of food innovation, a groundbreaking development is taking place: lab-grown meat. While this technology shows great promise, its high cost remains a significant hurdle for widespread commercial use. However, a British startup called Molex is offering a more affordable alternative: soya plants that produce pig protein-rich beans. Molex's revolutionary molecular farming technology is shrouded in secrecy, but here's what we know. They have introduced pig genes into regular soya plants, resulting in a remarkable outcome. Approximately 26.6% of the proteins found in the plant's piggy soybeans are pig proteins. What's more, the flesh of these soybeans even sport a pink, pork-like color. They've managed to mimic the properties of real meat using plants. According to Molex website, each protein is carefully selected to enhance taste, texture, and nutritional value. So how does it all come together? Well, farmers will grow these special soya plants using conventional agricultural practices. Once the beans are harvested, they undergo processing through traditional methods. The extracted proteins can then be used in meat substitutes and other products. Molex is also working on pea plants that produce beef proteins. The possibilities are endless. According to Amit Dhingra, the company's chief science officer, Molex has developed a unique, successful, and patentable platform for the expression of highly valuable proteins in the seeds of economically important crops such as soybeans. This achievement opens up a precedent for the entire scientific community that is looking to achieve high levels of protein expression in seeds via molecular farming. There's currently no word on when foods containing the proteins may be available to consumers. So what do you think? Would you be willing to try these transgenic soybeans? Let us know in the comments below. And while we're on the topic, check out our other video on how the USDA has just approved lab-grown meat in the US.